welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susu. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my wash day routine for you guys, showing you guys how I keep and maintain my healthy hair. Now, you guys have been asking me to do a wash day video for a while, so I decided to do this video for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So starting out, my hair is in a ponytail. My hair is relaxed. So I'm going to take my hair out the ponytail and then I'm going to start to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. This is how I do my wash day routine. And as you guys can see, my edges are still intact even though I wear wigs. I'm going to be using my Olaplex number 3. This is like a pre-softener for my hair. I've been using Olaplex for about a few months now and I absolutely love it on my hair. I'm gonna put my hair up and then I'm gonna go and take my supplements. These are the supplements I've been taking so far to help boost my hair growth. As far as my hair growth goes, I do take a couple of vitamins that help my hair grow, but I also take collagen. Collagen is really good for your hair, your skin, and your nails. I've been taking collagen for about 3 to 4 years now. So the collagen I take is from Bellway. I like this collagen because it does have like a taste to it and it goes down really smooth. So this one I have is the super fiber and collagen. It's amazing for your skin. It is in watermelon. It has collagen and hyaluronic acid as well. So I did order this one from Amazon. Bellway also sells their supplements in Amazon. They have it in stores as well. So you don't even have to order it online. You can actually go into stores and actually buy Bellway. Bellway did sponsor this video, but this is my honest opinion. I've been using Bellway for about 3-4 years now. You guys can look at my past videos and you can see that I've been taking Bellway's collagen for a minute. And it's been my favorite collagen because it's easy, it tastes good. Collagen has been like the big addition that I've added to my hair routine that I feel has helped out a lot in terms of length and how healthy my hair is. So I normally just drink like the whole thing in the morning. So I'm gonna down it. I am gonna link the collagen in the description down below. Like I said, Amazon now carries Bellway. You can also buy Bellway at Walmart. It is now in your stores. You guys can go ahead and just buy it in store, or I'll also link it in the description down below to Amazon. Thank you, Bellway, for sponsoring this video. Now that my Olaplex have sat in my hair for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it with cold water and then I am gonna go in with my Olaplex Bond Maintenance shampoo. I love the shampoo. I always use the same product when it comes to my hair because I feel as though like all the products work best together. I'm gonna go in with my deep conditioner. This is their number 8. Now Olaplex have like different numbers on their packaging and you're supposed to actually go in that order for it to work, and I've been doing this for about a couple of years now and it's been working. My hairstylist also uses Olaplex. I'm also gonna add my Olaplex conditioner. This is the number 5 on top of my deep conditioner, and then I'm going to use a white tooth comb to comb through my hair. I'm very gentle with my hair. I never tug at it because I don't want to get any snags or any split ends. I'm very careful with my hair. I feel like when you nurture your hair and you take care of your hair, it will grow. That's like the biggest thing, is that you want to be gentle with your hair. Then I'm just going to put my hair up in a ponytail and I'm going to let it sit in my head for like about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm just going to finish up showering, shave my underarm, shave my body, and just have like a nice shower. So I'm just going to have it up in this ponytail and let's go shower real quick. Boom. Wow, what a great shower. Oh my gosh, my hair is completely clean, and now we're just gonna dry up and we are gonna start blow drying our hair. So my hair is damp. I am going to be using some stuff that I picked up from Ulta. This is gonna be the Kenra spray. I'm gonna start with the Daily Provision Living Spray, and I heard that this stuff was bomb and I'm so glad I used it for this wash day routine for you guys because It is literally worth the money. I ended up picking up like 3 Canva products and it was so worth it. And that's why you gotta stay off TikTok, because TikTok will have you buying stuff, but there are things that you actually are gonna use. So I'm just gonna spray the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb to comb through my hair. Love that my hair is relaxed. It's been easier to maintain, easier to manage. I wear my hair out even more. I personally love it. You can have healthy hair while relaxed. I'm gonna apply my Kenra soaking in gloss into my hair, and I'm gonna section my hair into 4 parts. And then after that, I am going to blow dry my hair with my Hot Tools blow dryer with a comb attachment to it. Dry my hair, I'm going to be using my Kenra blow dry spray. I'm going to spray it all over my head, and then I'm just going to section my hair into little parts, and I'm going to start flat ironing my hair. The flat iron I'm using is my Baby Bliss flat iron, and I have it in 450 degrees. I go probably twice when I'm passing just to make sure that my hair is straight, and I'm just going to straighten my hair across my head. I'm going in different sections so I make sure that my hair is super straight and I don't have to keep straightening my hair. Now the product I use doesn't weigh down my hair whatsoever. Also, I get trims twice a year. Sometimes I trim it myself, sometimes I go to the salon, but I do get trims twice a year. My hair is super healthy. All I'm gonna do right now is gonna spray my Kenra hairspray to lay down my flyaways, and that is basically how I do my wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check the description down if you guys need any more information. Also, make sure you guys check out Bellway to get your collagen, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.